Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can merge a split in CapCut PC. Pretty simple. You're just going to select all the split videos that you want to merge. So select all, or you can press Ctrl A on your keyboard, whichever works the best for you. You're then going to right click on your mouse. Then you're going to select create compound clip, or you're going to select Alt G on your keyboard. Oops, that's Ctrl G. And as you can see, I've created a compound clip which merges all of my split together. So for instance, you split these clips on accident and you close it and you can't undo the split. You just want to merge everything back together. You're just going to do that. But if you have effects, it's a little bit hard to actually, just place the effects on top. If you have it in here, it's a little bit tricky to edit. But that's how you can merge clips together. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.